Good afternoon, I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute. Soybeans were steady to fractionally lower on Thursday, seeing a lack of follow-through buying along with some spillover pressure from a late lower move in the nearby soybean meal. Also, there was what's known as a block trade that occurred just around midday, which came from outside of the traditional commodity community, putting some pressure on prices there as well. Corn closed lower, seeing a little bit of profit taking after the recent gains. Corn and soybeans also continuing to keep an eye on weather in South America. Things are generally mixed, with it roughly the equivalent of late July for crops in the southern hemisphere at this point. La Nina conditions are expected to last through their summer. Wheat was mostly modestly higher on commercial buying and the lower trade in the U.S. dollar index. Weekly export sales would be out on Friday, delayed by the government being closed on Monday. Live and feeder cattle were sharply lower on profit taking ahead of widespread direct cash cattle business. Unless bids and asking prices come a lot closer together this afternoon, we may be waiting until after the cattle and feed numbers out on Friday. And hogs closed lower, with cash business steady to lower during the session. After the close, the USDA said the December pork production was a new monthly record. I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute.